What's going on, guys? We are taking a break from working on the touring and working on my car, and we're gonna do a simple job on Benny's car.
The long-awaited coilover install.
We're doing coilovers on Benny's car. Benny, but your car is already so stanced out, bro. Look, you're tucking tire in the rear. Holy shit, how do you do that?
It's just blown, bro.
That's stock suspension?
That's stock suspension.
That's blown stock suspension? Oh my god.
Like a trampoline, bro.
Okay. What are we doing?
We got some BC Racing custom coilovers.
Oh.
The DX series.
Oh.
It's the front.
Oh, sheesh. Well, they're nice looking.
Sexy, right?
Yeah, I like that.
That's a nice looking top hat.
That is a nice looking top hat. So yeah, should be pretty straightforward. What are we waiting on? Let's get right into it. So don't be worried by this. This only happens when you like level it wrong.
I leveled it wrong.
It's alright. We're just gonna keep it there. Oops, I did it again. So the goal here is to undo these 3 and have this whole strut and shock assembly come down. But in order to do that, we need to let the rotor hang forward. So we got 3 bolts on the back here that we need to do. But we're gonna start by undoing these sway bar links so we could free up the sway bar. And then disconnect everything from the strut itself. Okay.
So the rotor.
No. Those little lines, the brake line.
Just take them out of there.
Yeah, the brake line and the ABS line should just slide off. Yeah, all the way. All the way towards me. That's good.
Been a minute since they've been off.
There's a whole lot of locks. Just hold it right there. Ready? It's gonna come down.
Do I hold this?
Oh, you hold both.
There you go.
Fucking finagling. Fucking A. The new can go back there when Benny's ready.
This shit heavy, bro. I'm ready.
Keep going. That should be fine. A little. Alright, so I put those 3 bolts back. GoPro footage is fucked. This is kind of a difficult position. And then the, what is it, sway bar link is about to line up. Pretty much though, everything comes together the same way it came apart. And realistically, it's this sway bar link and 1 bolt, it's an 18, and then 2 other bolts, and those are 18s. If you want to count the lugs, you can. And then these top 3 as well. That's a terrible explanation. But once you jack everything up, there's a little dowel. That's pretty much it.
Okay. To break it. Free.
To let it fall.
Yeah.
Okay, Benjamin. Banneker. Oh, fuck. How you feeling?
I don't like this.
Has it been easy so far?
Yeah.
Easier than anticipated, at least?
Yeah.
I'm gonna adjust the camber here. We're all hot boys, right? So we want a little bit of negative camber in the front. And to do so, BC Coils and a lot of other coil manufacturers have a built-in camber plate in the coils. They provide this Allen key that fits perfectly into these little Allen heads. And we're just gonna loosen those really quick. Okay, so now that we've loosened up these bolts, this assembly is gonna move back and forth. If we go this far, we're gonna have a lot of positive camber. I don't think it's gonna give us positive camber. It might eliminate any negative camber that's in a way and compensate, but we want more negative camber. So we're gonna go as far forward as we can. And then we just tighten them up. Yeah, other stuff. There's plenty of camber stuff on the market, but this is just a good little like track inspired camber, and it's gonna look good. Not on stock wheels.
Shut up, bro.
But it'll look good.
You don't gotta bring that up.
Bro, you're on stock. You're gonna be still on stock wheels,
Bro.
afterwards. What was the fronts?
Well, it's fun watching.
God, why every time every time I do some work and it's easy, I ask Munzer, I'm like, oh, how was the valve cover job? Let's paint it now. Okay, how was the front coilover?
Well, I was like, it was easy, but then I was like, I didn't even do anything.
You did.
I did some.
You can tell me I did both.
carried me, bro.
You can tell me I did both.
Does your back hurt from fucking carrying?
You can tell me I did both of these in under 45 minutes.
Ooh, that's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage.
Oh, damn.
Anyways, the rears. Jesus. So we got this right here at the bottom, right there, and then that's it. You did the strut, and then we have the spring. So let's get to that. Oh fuck, it just fell. Okay. Oh. Alright. So let's get this out really quick. So we're taking the old rubber mounting stuff and using it to throw it in on the new coilover stuff. Let's go. Wait, is this? Okay. So this just goes in. Oh, push it down, bro. Okay, that's it.
Next one.
Down, bro, down. If you have a dust boot like this goes for a lot of suspension parts. You have a dust boot like this, it's there so you could set it to where you want it, and then you put a zip tie around here.
Oh shit, what is that?
Reinforcements for this one, and these are gonna go in right there. Inside. Inside? Inside. No way.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
They're gonna go inside.
Yeah.
God damn it, up a little bit. Ooh. That's good chilling, bro. Give me the ratchet. Oh, I guess the gun works too. I'm pretty deep. My stroke game kind of. Well, my parents watched that last video.
What were you saying?
The whole make sure your rubber's lubricated thing. Well, that's it then. Your coilovers are in, bro.
So come down, come squat next to me. Come sit next to me. Alright, so we're gonna grab a zip tie. We have this little dust boot right here. You don't want this coming up on compression, you know? So what's gonna happen is we're gonna take this around the back. Make sure it's straight before you go fully tight. And just tighten her down. And go ahead and cut it. We're gonna go ahead and do that to the other side. Chilling.
Look at that, sitting in there.
Nice and pretty. Nice and pretty.
Look at that. That's not nice and pretty. That's disgusting.
That is so unsafe.
Unfortunately, Penny, yes, that was very unsafe.
Bro, you drove that in Malibu.
I did drive that. I almost,
Like really hard.
I could have killed us. But you know,
If you knew that's how it looked, or how it was.
fuck no, I would not have driven it like that.
Oh my god, yeah.
If I knew it looked like that, it definitely felt like how it looks, you know? But if I knew it looked like that, I would not be driving this car as hard as I do. I think in my last video, I have like 100-mile-per-hour pull in this car.
Oh my god.
But that was in Mexico. Anyways.
Yeah, that's in Mexico.
Definitely not Santa Barbara. Here. Okay, so this is what BC recommends. I guess this is not necessarily recommends, but this is the height that they come from, the factory. And it's a little low. I feel like once this settles in, we're definitely gonna be rubbing on the fenders here. So on the other side, I'm gonna raise it up a couple turns and put the wheel on and see how I like it, and then we'll throw it all on the ground and see how it settles. Up or down. Yeah, we probably should have let down the rear first. We definitely, I don't know who the fuck lets down the front first. Why the fuck did we let down the front? Jack it up a little bit. Not even a little bit. Let's go, baby. What was that?
No, it rolled off the wood. That is not a wheel touch.
That's not a real touch back there, hell yeah. Oh my god!
We're gonna rob, huh?
Why is that so dumped in the front? We're done. Sort of.
Yeah, we need to like.
We gotta do some fine shit. Do you wanna get in the shot and say something, or you're just gonna sit there?
Just scoping the workout. You guys have been out here for like 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah, that was definitely quick.
3 hours?
Yeah.
Not bad.
This isn't supposed to be compressed like this.
Yeah.
It's supposed to go back to its normal form, like that.
Right.
And when it gets compressed, it's supposed to go back up.
Pretty, like, shoot back up, kind
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
This just stays where it goes.
That's not good. How
And then
long?
slowly-
How long do you think these were leaking for?
Honestly, a long time. Not a horrible job.
What's
Do it
left?
at home.
What's left?
I gotta drive it, review it, and let it settle. Obviously, we're having a little bit of
Some
fitment
Some
issues.
fitment issues here. We don't think it looks straight, but we'll figure it out. But
We need to find out how they feel first, and if we tightened all of our bolts.
Yes. You're not wrong.
Whirring down the freeway, shooting flames. 120 miles, I'll forget your face. 120 miles, I'll relieve the pain and the stress you cause. It'll never be. I wanna fall tonight, addicted to the pain.